Welcome to Golderfold. Today we have a Tyranitar EX Premium Collection Box and these three Paldea Evolve packs that I just also happen to have. I'm excited to open this because this was gifted to me by my cousin. He just gifted me a bunch of Pokemon junk after he saw some of my Golderfold videos. And honestly, that's great of him. Thank you so much if you're watching this video. But I guess, yeah, let's get straight into this. This has a card protector, card sleeves, 3 promo cards, and 6 booster packs. As I was charging my battery for my camera display, I was watching this series Slot has on a different channel, the Weekly Slap. And he basically just gives like advice to his viewers and just in general. And honestly, I've been loving it so far. It has been a great series, and I would recommend watching it because he's given out some good advice, and I think that's really cool. Alright, so here is the code card for you all at home. And our first card is Larvitar, I think. I've been getting into Pokemon a lot more lately, obviously, as you can see with, me making a whole series about it. You'd think I'd be getting better at pronouncing Pokemon names, but yet I haven't. Let me focus that. It doesn't want to focus, but yeah, no, you'd think I would get way better at pronouncing Pokemon names. I haven't. I really have not gotten any better. And I don't think I will get better. Right here we have Puppetar. Looks pretty. I want to focus. There we go. And then our big promo card, if it'll fall out here. Tyranitar EX. That is a beautiful looking card right there. I am going to make sure I sleeve that. And I won't hard sleeve it just yet, but we'll see. I'll look up the price for that in a little bit. I'm gonna put that off to the side. Get rid of this. And now the actual packs. Alright, so this is the card protector, which I was actually interested in, or the card display. I actually think I know what card I'm gonna put in this. Give me a second. It's not gonna match, but I don't care. It's for my favorite card. This right here is both my favorite card and my most expensive card. Sylveon EX featuring Eevee. I just love the art on it, and I think it's adorable. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this card protector. There we go. Let's get this display out. There we go. That is such an upgrade. Okay, I might see if I can get like a purple card protector because that's great. I love that. That is going above my desk. These are the deck sleeves. Let's get a closer look at one of these. Oh wow, that is pretty. Yeah, I might use those. We'll see if I build another deck. I've been using these little card sleeves, but I might use those. Alright, now the packs. So we have 2 Twilight Masquerades, 2 Temporal Forces, and 2 Paradox Rifts. So, I might save one of these for a short episode. Let's put this one aside. I'm going to save this one for the shorts. So you guys will see that eventually if you do watch the shorts, which you should. They're good. I put a lot of effort into them. And I'm going to be that YouTuber. If you aren't already subscribed, you should totally subscribe. I think like 97% of viewers are not subscribed. And if you do subscribe, that will help me out because I can unlock stuff and I can make money, and then I can make more Pokemon videos. If I make money off YouTube, I can go into my gambling addiction. Alright, well, first pack, Twilight Masquerade. Let's see what I get. Hold on, I'm gonna check to see if I have. I'm actually collecting some of the little sleeves because I want to put them in a, like, folder. Not a folder, a picture frame, and hang up on my wall. Alright, so there's the code card. One to the front. Grass, sinks. Go closer with that. Room. Waddle. Handheld fan. Dipplin. Boom. Whatever that is. Whatever that is. Alright. That's an alright pack. Put this off to the side. Alright, next. Paradox Rift. Do I already have this? Yes, I already have this one. So this I can throw away. Code card. To the front. Basic energy. Britzel. Bound Sweet. Norman. Elfworm. Toadstool. That. Oh, that's a nice one. I'm gonna sleeve this one up. Yeah, that is a nice looking card. I wonder if I actually have this though. This looks similar to a card I already have. We'll see. Alright, next pack. Temporal Forces. Do I already have this? Yes, I do, and I already have the next one, so I don't have to worry about it. I'm just collecting it based on whether I think the art, but whether I basically have the art or not. I'm trying to get all the unique styles for each pack. Water, Cutiefly, Drillbur, Rellor, Ponyta. I see a little holographic up there. Electrive, Elkins. Did I say? No, Ekins, not Elkins. Golurk, Bramblecast. Nothing insane. Next pack. Alright, Temporal Forces. Just rip this open. Throw these off to the side. I just probably moved the code card to the, not the code card, the energy to the front. Alright, basic energy, Slugma, Skitty, Electabuzz, Rapska, Fortress, Full Metal Lab. That's a cool card. I like that one. Metadite, Meditane, Torterra EX. This is also a nice looking card. I'm going to sleeve this. And I'll probably just look up the values of the clearly expensive cards at the end. Alright. Last card from this bundle, Paradox Rift. Do I have this art? Yes, I do. Man, I love ripping packs. It is so fun. It like, if it fuels like something inside me, you know. All right, code card. Basic energy. Twink. That. Dwebble. Whismer. Scenario. Nice. I'm going fast. Rika. Ooh, she is. He's a baddie. Even how. And see you. Okay, so nothing insane. Unless the insane stuff is in this Twilight Masquerade, which you guys will not see in this episode. Haha. Maybe you should watch my other videos if you want to see it. Now, for the how they evolved. I want to. This just will rip open. Come on. You can tell I do not care about keeping the box. Alright, code card. And a promo card. I'll leave this one up just because it's a promo. Alright, and let's find one to save for another video. We'll save one of these since I have two of them. Alright, let's go. This one first. I also have more Pokemon that he gifted me that I am specifically saving for shorts because Walmart has been terrible with money and DoorDash is going to take a while to schedule me. So I am a bit low on money right now. So I'm going to stretch this out as much as I can. How they evolve. There's the code card. Basic Energy. Combi. Jigglypuff. Hell yeah. Just a Giraffe. Great Ball. He's a cool looking guy. Can't say his name though. Talonflame. Heracross. Larvitar. That's the one we had at the beginning. Sneasel. And Zumpluff. Alright. Nothing insane out of that either. Alright. Last pack of Meowscarda. No. It's alright. Ripped up here. Where'd that pack that I just ripped open go? I want to keep this one because I actually don't have any how they evolve. I noticed that they're all like ripped a little bit at the corner, which says a bit strange, or at least this one and the last one was. Okay, that got messed up, but whatever. All right, putting that off to the side. Code card. Last pack. Good luck. Basic Energy, Clavel, Dunsparce, Noibat, Weed Cat. I've actually been looking for that one for a while. Weed Cat. Quaxwell. That guy. Item. Rapska. Okay, so got nothing insane. I want to look up the prices of these cards that we sleeved. Alright, so let's go with this one. So this one goes for about $2 ungraded, so not zero, which is always good. That is gonna look terrible on the video because I have this on manual and I do not intend on getting up insane to that. This one right here, Tyranitar EX, $2 ungraded or $26 PSA 10. This one is worth $2 ungraded or $40 PSA 10. And this last one, Tyranitar EX. Oh, this one's actually worth the least. $2 ungraded, about $31 PSA 10. I would say this is a gold. I mean, I did not spend money on these. My cousin did. But honestly, I enjoyed what we got. And the fact that I can now keep my favorite card in a display like this is great. But that's all I have for today. I will see you guys next time when I upload more videos. I've been good with videos. So far this year, I've uploaded more videos in the first 4 months of 2025 than I did the entirety of 2024, not including sorts. So we getting up there, boys. We getting up there. All right. Have a good night.